Welcome to Daily Insights, your source of bite sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, to grow, and view the world anew. Together, let us explore the marvels hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you are seeking inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant questions, Daily Insights is your gateway to knowledge to aid your self discovery and personal growth. Join me and let us illuminate the path to wisdom together. The last time we met, we had a conversation. We talked about loss, a common occurrence in all our lives. Today, I am going to speak about something closer related. Yes, I'm going to expand on that conversation. Today, I am going to speak about abandonment, embracing change, navigating the journey through abandonment. Abandonment isn't just about someone leaving, it is about what they leave behind. It is that empty chair at the dinner table, the silent phone, the plans and dreams that suddenly have to change course. Abandonment is not simply the absence of someone or something, it is the void they leave in our lives. When we face abandonment, it is natural to ask ourselves some questions. Why did this happen? Why me? What could I have done differently? Am I not good enough? These questions can be haunting, often leaving us more confused than ever before. But here is a different way to look at abandonment. As tough as it is, abandonment can be a turning point for self discovery and personal growth. When we find ourselves alone, we are confronted with a clear view of who we are without anyone else's influence. It is a chance to stand independently and see our true self. Choosing to move forward from abandonment is a tough, brave decision. It involves acknowledging the pain, accepting the pain, and then gradually shifting our focus towards rebuilding ourselves. It is about filling the gaps others leave with new experiences, passions, and dreams that are uniquely ours. It is imperative that we remember that someone else's decision to leave doesn't define your worth, because often their reasons for leaving are tied up in their issues and choices. It is not a reflection of your worth and value. Part of overcoming abandonment involves forgiveness. This means forgiving those who have left us and forgiving ourselves. Forgiveness isn't about excusing what happened, but freeing ourselves from resentment and hurt. We must understand that every ending, including abandonment, can lead to a new beginning. It is not the final chapter of our story, but a transition. It is a shift in our journey. Let us embrace this journey, knowing that each of us has the resilience to turn abandonment into a path of self discovery and personal growth. Thank you for joining me today on Daily Insights. Until next time, blessings always.